Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. The first thing, this is the USB Type-C cable. Also we can find here some IMEI codes, the stickers with the serial number IMEI codes, and the paperwork like the warranty card, quick start guide, safety guides. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.